Hello, welcome to HYPEBAE. I'm going to be doing my makeup today. I don't even know what else there is to it, but before I can do my makeup, I actually have to shave. Okay, now that that's done, by the way, shaving is not a necessary component for this makeup look because anybody can do this, but for me, I need to be clean shaven. I'm ready to get to step one, which is gluing down my eyebrows. Now, I know this sounds crazy and a lot of people will not have to do this, but I am, like I said, very cultured and have a lot of hair on my brows, so I need to make sure that they're laying flat so I can pick my brows up just a little bit more. Now, make sure you smudge it all over. You brush those hairs up. You want to go in the direction that they actually grow in because, you know, you want to raise the kids the right way. So raise your eyebrows the right way. Now, I'm going to take another primer. We used an oil before, but now I'm going to use a Complexion Primer to make sure that everything's nice and smooth. You want to look smooth and you want to look as least textured as possible. Now, I have one of these. It's Ben Nye's Neutral Set Powder. I get this big one because I put on makeup like every day. You don't need to if you're not wearing makeup every day, but a neutral powder basically works in the way that it has no color, so it's just set makeup. A lot of people are out there putting on foundation and not setting it. You look crazy. Powder your foundation. We don't want to see your face rubbing off in the sun. Set these brows with this powder. It's gonna really make sure that they're down for good. And now we can move on to foundation. This is Kryolan TV Paint Stick. This is used for television, theater, and movies. I usually wear either Makeup Forever foundation sticks or Marc Jacobs Liquid Remarkable. So now I'm desperate to get through this step because I look like an alien right now. Now when I draw my brows on, I actually kind of follow my natural brow shape, but like just a little more feminine. I'm gonna take this Kevyn Aucoin Skin Enhancer. It's a concealer, it's very high quality. And she's real cute. And I'm gonna use her to carve the bottom of my eyebrows to make them real snatched. So now I'm gonna use this Anastasia Beverly Hills contour cream stick. And it's actually just a foundation, but I use it for contouring. It's called Chestnut. It's a nice orangey brown. So now I'm gonna get started on my eyes. I like to go for the nice brown smoky. The brown smoky can make anybody look just gorgeous and amazing. Brown smoky can be worn by women. It could even be worn by men and it could still be like slightly masculating. So you just have, it depends on how you rock it yourself. Ooh, this eyeliner pen always tickles me. Okay, I don't like an eyeliner that's too thick or too thin. So I like to go in between. And I like a winged liner. Some people just like, you know, a little, whatever that is. I like you to see it a little. So what I'm doing is I'm starting off with very softer browns and just like bringing them in. But the truth is, I'm gonna go in and draw individual hairs with an eyeliner pencil, pen, marker. Girl, whatever got ink inside of me.